Allie, go back down there.
No, but practice got canceled. Why is it canceled? You have to get to the sidewalk. That's the game. Can you make it there without falling? You gotta make it to the sidewalk, Allie. And then you win. You can use the snow.
This is bullshit.
Yeah. You can use the snow. Allie, don't go down there without having a handlebar.
Allie?
Oh, shit. Now you gotta make it back. Caitlin fell on the way back.
Just walk in the snow.
How flexed are your muscles right now? No, use
Alright, seriously, hold on the banister.
Although it doesn't help much because it's all icy.
This is where I fell.
Look at how, like, tighter. Oh my god. So